What's up, YouTube? Alright, so here we are. We're gonna wrap up this fog light install. There it is with no fog lights. I actually got this set with nice amber lenses for like $40 off Amazon, just because getting them from the junkyard is gonna be like 20, and bulbs another 20, so it'd be about the same thing, and it wouldn't be amber. So me and the Haley monster are gonna install these fog lights, and then after the montage I'll do a nighttime view without the fog lights and with the fog lights. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Later. We did it. It was a pain in the butt, wasn't it?
Yeah. I didn't really do anything. I just
Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. Yeah, I had to do what I should have done on the headlights and pull out the little plug and clean them off and make sure they're getting a good connection. But it's done. Next video will be a little on-off shot with them daytime, nighttime, or nighttime, with fog lights, without fog lights. But I like them. They were 40 bucks. They got the amber tint on them, yellow tint. But I'm going to I'm gonna put some yellow LEDs in there to brighten it up even more. It'll be fantastic. Alright guys, we're gonna roll that beautiful bean footage and done with this one. Thank God. This old wiring. Later. What's up, YouTube? Shooting one of the last videos before we actually do the light comparison. Today I got in the mail these LED fog lights. So these are actually the 880, but they're the LEDs. We'll be installing those. I've already got the amber lenses in, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you what they look like right now. So that's what they look like with the standard factory halogen bulbs. Go ahead and shoot a quick time lapse of me putting these in. Give you another refresher of what they look like afterwards, and then send it over to the actual nighttime videos. Alright guys, we're back. Let's check the brightness. They are definitely more yellow. I think they might be brighter too in the sun. Yeah, I think they're brighter. I think they are brighter. Alright, well, these have been my fog light upgrades. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the nighttime views and comparison of all the lights and the stages of this upgrade process. Alright guys, later. Alright guys, here we are looking at the very first video. This is going to be the truck, just my normal drive to work, everything normal. When you look at the lights, you're going to see it appears like they're super dim, and that's because I actually ended up adjusting them after this. So essentially they were almost pointed down at the ground. I had to adjust the left and right headlights up a good bit, and you'll see that difference coming up on the second video. I think the left had to come up like a foot and the right had to come up like a foot and a couple inches. So let's go ahead and let me bring this up. Alright, here's the second video, and you can clearly see that the headlights adjusted are doing really well. In fact, with the fog lights, they're doing even better. So it's really a testament to adjusting your headlights, and there you go, fog lights. The fog lights are definitely shining bright and looking good on this video. And we'll go ahead and wrap up. Good morning, YouTube. Here we are for the last part of the video. And this droney truck. Anyways, I don't know if you can tell it right now, but this is just the headlights. Are you guys ready for the big reveal? Well, there you go. That's headlights, halogen headlights with the LED 880 fog lights. Now, on camera, it looked a lot brighter than the effect in person, and that's just in the driver's seat looking on the road. Like, I don't think it's probably the camera angle as far as what you guys can see, but the difference is minimal, except for very up close to the truck, which is good. But when you are in front of the truck and just looking at the actual video of it, or like how much more bright the lights are, they appear brighter. And I think that's only because it's actually a yellow LED versus a white halogen. I do not think these lights per se are brighter than their halogen counterparts. I I think they're just on par with the standard halogen. They're not made to be any brighter. The housing's not any better. It's just like a standard replacement that's LED. Has a 1-year warranty, says it's good for 30,000 or 300,000 hours. So it might make a bit of a difference as far as longevity. But I really enjoy the visual it gives from the front of the truck. It truly is like a yellow when you're looking at the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out right now and just end the video with a shot of the truck. Alright guys, there she is. I'm really enjoying that yellow. Nice and bright. Alright guys, appreciate you coming by the channel. See you on the next one. Bye.